Hello, good morning once again. It's Richard here. Today is Lucky Tuesday, and I have some working plan, something simple. It's a working plan, and I want to show you guys. And I don't know what is really going on with the plan. Yesterday we did not get anything, but today, you know, the working plan usually sets some solve some situations sometimes. So I want to use this working plan today and see if you are going to get a win from it. It's a new thing, very new, second time plan. So let's look at it and see. It's a working plan, but please pay a closer attention to it. If not, you might get confused. Pay a closer attention to it. If not, confusion is going to happen. But it's also simple. If you understand Lotto, you will understand it very well. But if you don't, it's just going to be a little bit difficult. So, first, in the year 2020, at event 750, 72 play. See the 72 there? One of the keys to play in with the machine number. That is the biggest at the machine. That is 89. If you check here, the biggest over there is 89. So following week 14 will play. So another key, 14, and then the 72. First key and then the second key. Then 89 will play. That is the biggest one at the 72's machine event. That is the biggest over there. So counting from the 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks down. Then watch something. 9 weeks down. You notice that 72 that I show you over there, the 72 will 10 or counter 27 is a constant figure. It's the same as one of the keys to. It's a constant figure. 27. That's 72 over there. The 72 that start the event. The 72 will counter. So as the 72 counter, it gives us 27. Then in each winning, you see 19 over there at winning. So as the 19 play at winning, following week you will notice a number. That is 71. That play at first position. That number will counter to play with the 27 that the 72 tend to play with. That number will counter from there and play after the 19 play. So that number gives us two numbers. That is 27, 26. So following week, when the 71 play, following week you notice that 43 will play at center. Then 40 will play at center. Then he play with 43. 40 will play at center and then play with 43. So you count from that 40. 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks down. Then you see a number and its counter. Number and its counter. Maybe is this 19. That counter 64 and play with the 19 itself. So you notice that the 19 come back to play 1964. So as the 19 came back to play with the 64 it counter, then you count from that number and its counter. 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks down, then you see singing 8. So as you see singing 8 playing at winning, following week you will see some 50 column. That is 53, and then some 70 column. That is 76. So you take the 53 minus the 70 column, then it will give us 23. The 53 minus 76. That 50 column and then the 70 column. 53 minus 76. It will give us 23. So the 23, you see the opening, the biggest number on that event over there, that is 89. You add the 23 to it, that will be 23 plus 89 will give us addition 112. When you take this 53 out of the 76, it will give us 23. So you add it to this 89 over here, the 89 that opened the plan, the biggest number on that event. If you add it to it, the total will be addition 112. That is 112. If you see the 112, then the plan is in money. The plan is in range. The total is the same. So you notice that 89 plus the 53 minus 76, that is 23. So it will give us 112. So as it gives us the 112, that is the addition. Then notice that following week, that 19 over there, and then the 72 that came back, that 10, 27, and then the number, that counter, 71 over there. That two numbers, and then the 19 will come and then play at winning. That is, you see the first two, 1964 will come and play, too sure. And then the 27, 26 will also come and play another too sure. Then the 19 will still join them. So it's the same 19 that came back here. So it gives us the 4 numbers on that event. So you notice that these two, 27, 26 will come and play. The 1964 will also come and play. That is the 19 that came back from here to come and play. So I don't know whether you got it. I said from here, event 750, that is the beginning of the plan. So let me make it wide. 750, 72 play. Then the machine, the biggest on the 72 event over there, that is 89. Following 14 will play. So we count from the 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks down. Then 19 will play at winning. Then that 72 will counter to 27, or maybe you can say 10 to 27, because the 10 is the same as the counter, 27. So as the 27 play, you see a number close to the 27. That number will also counter 71. So it will play after the 19 play. Then following week also the 40 will play at center. One of the keys for the plan. The 40 will play at center and play 43. So as he play the 40, 43, 3 weeks down from the 40, 43, 1, 2, 3. Then that 19 will counter 64 and play with the 19 itself. So as he play with it, then you count from the 19, 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then you see sing 8. A constant figure is also one of the keys. Constant figure. So as sing 8 play, then following week you see some 50 column, that is 53, and then 70 column, that is also 76. So you take the smallest one, that is the 50 column, out of the 76, the smallest one among the 50 column, and then the 70 column. Take the 53 out of the 76. It will give us 23. So the 23 plus the biggest number on that event, where the 72 is, will give us addition 112. So as the addition become 112, then following week you notice that these two, 27, 26, and then the 19 will count 27, 26. So the 1964 will give us our main two shot. Then the two shot will come 1964 as the two shot. So that is just the first one, the old plan. Lotto usually does either play the old one or the new one. So this is the old one. So now let's move to the new one. The new one is at event 782. 782. I told you it's the same keys that is playing. So you notice that on the 782 event, 72 played. Each machine, you notice 90 is the biggest number on that event. If you check the machine event, you notice that 90 is the biggest number on the event. So following week, 14 will play again. Then you count from the 14, 9 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. the 9 weeks down, then you see 21 playing at winning. Just like the way the 19 play at winning, 21 will also play at winning. So as the 21 play, then the 72 will maintain the same number. That is 72 will counter 27 or 10, 27. So a number close to that 27 over there, you notice that number will counter 64, just like the way the 71 do. So the 19 will counter 64. As the 19 counter 64, it shows on that event as the biggest number. So it plays at first position, just like the 71 does. So following week, you see the 40 at center. Then the 40 will play with the 43. 40 will play with the 43. So 3 weeks down from the 40, 1, 2, 3. Then you notice that 21 will also counter to double 6. So as the 21 counter to double 6, you notice that 21 should have played with the double 6, but he played with the key. This time he did not use the counter, so he played with the key. That is 20. So 20 and then double 6 becomes the too sure for the this particular new plan. So you notice that the 21 counter to 64, just like the way 66, just like the way the 19 also counter to 64. Then the 21 supposed to have come by play 20. That is the key of the double 6. So 3 weeks down from the 20 double 6, 1, 2, 3. Then you see the single 8 again, maintaining the same number. Then following week, some 50 column, and then the 76 column, 70 column. So here, even though we play 270 column, you notice that the biggest one is what is using. So when you take the 52 out of the 75, 52 minus 75, still it will give us addition 23. It will give us 23. So you see the biggest number on that event, that is 90. If you add it to it, then it will give us 113. You add that 90 to the addition, that is 23, and it will give us 113 because it's the second one. So it's supposed to increase it by 1. So it gives us addition 113. The first one gives us addition 112. So this one is supposed to give us addition 113. If it's set again, then addition 114. So after the addition play, that 50 column and then the 70 column play, then following week you notice that the 21 will have to come as a lone banker. Then that 27-19 will also come as too sure, and then the double 6 and then 20 will come as our full too sure for the this Lucky Tuesday plan. So you notice that 66 becoming a full banker because of the 21 that counter to play with the double 6 and then the 20. That is the counter. So double 6 becomes a full banker. So either I play with the 21 or I play with 20. The same time, you see the 27 maintaining itself is a full banker on its own. So this double 7, 27 is a full banker on its own because it maintains the same number. So that number can join them to give the 3 numbers back. I'm using the 21, 26, and then 20 as the 3 numbers. Then this 27-19 will also add to them to give you the 5 numbers that I'm using for Lucky Tuesday today. So this particular plan itself, it produced the 5 numbers already. Because of this 21, that changed power over here to give us 20. So now my Nitski become the main too sure, and then the 21 will join them. So, and also 27-19 is also another too sure, just like the way the first one did over here. The 27-26, because it counter is supposed to give us another too sure. So this 27-26 and then the 19, then the 1964 will also give us another too sure. So that is the plan for the Lucky Tuesday today. The plan is very strong. It's a working plan, so If you follow it carefully, you might understand, but it's a little bit difficult because it's a working plan. Thanks for being here, and bye for now. Please, I beg you, watch the ad on the plan. Watch the ad on the video that I've posted, please. Thank you very much, and let's go subscribe to the channel so that we can get to 2,000 subscribers before the year will end. Thanks and very much. I'm confused. Thanks very much for supporting me, and we hope for the wins today. Bye for now.